Lovely Runners star Byun Woo-seok and Kim Ye-yoon were spotted kissing behind the scenes. In a surprising and delightful revelation, behind-the-scenes footage from the recently concluded drama, Lovely Runner has fans buzzing with excitement. Byun Woo-seok and Kim Ye-yoon who camera is sparking speculation about the nature of their relationship. Lovely Runner, which wrapped up on May 28, 2024, captivated audiences worldwide with its heartwarming storyline and the undeniable chemistry between its lead stars. Viewers were particularly taken by the on-screen romance of Byun Woo-seok and Kim Ye-yoon, whose performances brought an extra layer of magic to the series. The behind-the-scene clips, which has been making rounds on social media, shows the two stars sharing a sweet moment much to the adoration of the crew. The staff, who had already been enamored by the couple's rapport during the 11 months of filming, couldn't help but look on affectionately. While it's not uncommon for co-stars to develop close bonds during long filming schedules, many tend to drift apart as they take on new projects. However, the affectionate interaction between Byun Woo-seok and Kim Ye-yoon suggests that their connection might be more than just professional. As for Kim Ye-yoon, her schedule remains busy with various new offers and opportunities pouring in after the success of Lovely Runner. Currently, Byun Woo-seok is gearing up for his highly anticipated fan-meeting tour, which will start locally before expanding to global audiences. Stay tuned for more updates on this developing story as we follow the journey of these two talented Korean actors.